Oh!
Elvis, we're going for a walk. Can Radar come too? I promised to look after him and keep him on the leash. Yay! Thank you, Elvis. Come on, Radar. Let's go. Whoa, boy, steady. Oh, I think he wants off the leash, Dad. Shall we?
Do you think that's a good idea? You promised Elvis you'd keep him on it.
He just wants to explore. He'll be okay, won't he? Oh, no! Radar! No!
Oh, dear.
Oh, Radar, come here, boy. Where are you? Oh, it's getting dark. Oh, and it's scary.
Oh. Mandy!
There's Radar, but where's Mandy?
Better call the fire station.
Nothing to report from up here, Ellie.
Thanks, Tom. Still nothing. But don't worry, we won't stop looking until we found her. What is it, Radar? Go on, Radar. Go and find Mandy.
Oh, Radar! You found me!
I'm glad you're okay, Mandy. Animals are a lot of responsibility, even highly trained ones like Radar. You must always make sure they are on their leash. I hope you understand that now.
I do. Thank you, Ellie.
He knows where he's red-footed.